welcome back to my channel. My name is scrapqueen and today I like to introduce you my very latest paper collection, Strawberry Lane. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the first thing that you notice is that this time it's a different size. So not an A4 but a 21 by 21 centimeters. So it's a square one. And why? Well, there was a little story about that. I had this idea for a pretty long time to do a square one, and sometimes I do get questions if I want to do a low budget project, and well, I thought why not do a low budget project, and then maybe that's a great opportunity for me to test out the square paper size. So I did. So I came up with this size, 21 by 21 centimeters, and Strawberry Lane. So yeah guys, it's strawberry time, and yeah, spring, summer, I don't know when this comes online, but definitely this speaks for itself. It's yummy, it's sweet, and it's very cute. So I'm gonna show you page by page. Okay guys, first of all, the cover. You always can use the cover. The cover for me is just to show you quick the paper and the color palette and everything, but also you still can use the images that I put on. You also can use the title. Normally I do use it, so I like to use it. And here is also a nice cut apart. So in this image, in this cover alone, you can cut 3 images and a title. So that's the cover. But the back, of course, we also always use, and I try always to get a design for the back of the cover. To pick a color that fits with everything, because I don't think that you are gonna cut all these images each time, so it's good to use the back then. So I choose for this ornament page, and it's gray beige. The back, it's very grungy, very easy to be used, and yeah, you know me, I love these kind of designs. So most of my collections are having some. Alright, then we go to the next page. The next page is a nice cut apart with 4 square images. And oh my gosh, look at this beautiful girl. And we have those edges along. So super cute. And then this elf or a fairy. Also with the strawberries, and then this vintage girl right here left at the bottom. So super cute. And then this bottle of, I do not even know what kind of, is it a perfume bottle or a strawberry juice bottle? I have no idea, but I thought the image was very cute. Alright, so and then the back we have so cuteness. There is some pink, some red, some cream color, some white, all kind of colors are in here, and it's very cute and adorable. Little roses, love it, it's so cute. Then we have the stripes with some grungy whiteness on the edges, some images in the corners, this beautiful boots in the corner, and then this strawberry bouquet in the left up corner. Love it. And then the back, it's nice vintage colors with a nice darker red and some beige cream color on the background, some grungy edges. Just love it. I absolutely love it. But yeah, I designed it. Then my next page is all these little red hearts, and this also have the grunchiness and the vintageness. And then this beautiful girl in the bottom. So super cute. Absolutely felt in love with it and had to do something with it. Then we have a nice easy beige page, also the grunchiness around it, and then this has this design on it, so it's not quite a stripe, but absolutely easy to use. Then the next page we have some plate, but then a nice mauve pinky color, and also the grunchiness around it, and then this nice little lady in this bottom, in this corner. So super cute. And like, normally people say that my papers do not do it justice on camera, but in real life my papers normally look better. So I'm so happy with those feedback. I'm truly blessed that you always love my papers. And so now I see this and I do watch on my camera, and it really does. It really does. In real life, it's so much better. Then, yeah, I love butterflies. I love I love flowers, absolutely. So I could not resist to add some flowers. So from close, you will see at the back there are in depthness the smaller ones, but it comes forward. Really like this method to use these little flowers. And also the grunchiness is around it. So cute. Then we have another cut apart page with little tags, also with all kind of strawberries. And I had some space left to put some words in it. And it says delicious, yummy, strawberries, too sweet, tutti frutti, smoothie, strawberry pie, to the fields, juicylicious, and cuteness. Ah, my daughter helped me with the words. So cute. And then the back, yay, another plate with a very nice light red. Not too dark, not too red, but a very nice soft red. We like it. And also we have some grunchiness and some postcard images in the back. It's hard to see, but there is some. You can see that on camera, but I really like it. Then we have a nice easy page, a nice beige cream color with some vintage flowers at the back, but it's all faded away because the girl needed to have at front the full spot, of course, the first place, and the crunchiness is all on the papers. Very easy to be used. Then the back, nice. Oh, do you know where this? Let me think about that. This keeps. How you call that? Back in the age, in my past, I was working for. Oh, I can't keep up for the words. It's an English brand, Laura Ashley, and I got the opportunity to make curtains with all kind of these designs. I loved it then, and this makes me feel like back then. I really love to work there. Laura Ashley, that was the brand I worked for. So cute. Okay, maybe I got then already addicted to the cuteness of that. Alright, then we have another cut apart page. Same as the other one, but with different images. Look at that little girl and this bunny in a nice teacup, and then another bottle, so cute, and some fairies, a boy and a girl, so cute. And then the edges around it, you even can put your picture on here, just cut apart, cut out the image and put your picture in, so you have a nice frame already. So easy to be used, so cute. And then the back, very nice easygoing design, with some, if you see it in your hand, then you will see there is some hat and a basket with strawberries, and then a nice plate piece of nice pastel green on the bottom, and also the grungy edges all the way around. Love it. Let me show you quickly. Back close, so cute. Then we have another heart page, very easy to be used, beige brownish it is, with a little hearts, and then this image in the top corner. So cool. Love it. Very easy to be used also. And then the stripe, and then a nice brown one. So easy to be used. And you also can cut these for nice strips. Perfect. You know I love that. That also with the plate. You easily can make, that's why I did not make a page with strips, because you can easily do that with the papers. Then we have a nice green one with the same design that I showed you earlier. And then we have another boot image. So cool. You can make so much nice cards with all these papers. So cool. And then the back, of course, the flowers. A nice bouquet page with white flowers. Because you all know strawberries has white flowers first. So I could not resist adding some white flowers in here. This, yeah, I could not, yeah. I really like it. The heart is coming back again. And then this image, I could not resist not using it. It's so cool. It's something different that I do not use that much. But God, I love it. Need to do this more. Nice border. Nice, I call this border. To make nice pockets with. Same thing with this at the top or at the top one. Cool. And then again a nice pastel greenish, grass green, I don't know what color but it's really nice soft touch green. Another plate one, also great to make strips with. Then we have another cut apart page with 4 of these sizes of tags with the strawberries, and then these little cute ones, so cute. You can easily cut them out and put them on your tag, let them dangle. So cute. And then the back, we have the same paper as we saw earlier in red, but then this one is with green, a nice vintage green one. So cool. And then our last page, but last but not least, a nice grungy brown one with some edges all the way around, and of course a nice cute girl in the bottom corner. So cool, easy to be used for the backgrounds. And on the back, another heart one. Yeah, I could not resist. And I thought, yeah, one last image. There was so much to choose from. So cool, so cool. Alright, so that is my new collection. So again, 13 sheets. Double-sided, but this time it's 21 by 21 centimeters, and I have it in the each set. It's 3 sheets. That is for the low budget project, so you get 39 sheets in total. This is for the low budget project, so 39 sheets that you get for the low budget project. But I'm not only gonna make a low budget project, I'm also gonna make a full project, and then of course you get 2 packs. Then you have still 79 sheets, but still 21 by 21 centimeters. So then you will have all these. So if you have the full set, this is the low budget, still plenty of papers. And if you wanna have the full set, then you have 78 sheets, and then you have this pile of papers. Okay, so you can choose this time, but this is the introduction of my new paper collection, Strawberry Lane. I hope you like it. I hope you want to test it out, the 21 by 21 centimeters this time. Maybe I'm gonna do that more, but I'm still addicted with the A4, but let's see how it works. Let's make something with it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. By the way, if you are interested in these papers to get, then always send me an email. The email is to be found down below in the description box under each video. Just send me an email. If you have any questions, if you want to order, just email me. Always. Thank you so much. Bye bye.